So last week we announced changes to the orders to try to help slow the spread of this third wave and to try to help avoid another full lockdown of services. Today we're going to have to make additional orders to dampen the spread of that third wave. The following additional public health order restrictions will be in effect Wednesday, April 28 at 12:01 a.m. No visitors will be allowed at private residences, either indoors or outdoors, with certain exceptions including allowing one visitor for people who live alone. No indoor gatherings will be permitted, and outdoor gatherings of up to 10 persons will be allowed in public outdoor spaces only. Cultural and faith-based gatherings will be limited to 25% capacity or a maximum of 10 people, whichever is lower, and indoor mask use is required at all times. Patio dining will be restricted to groups of 4 people only, with no household limitations though in that group of 4. Food courts in malls and shopping centers will be required to close. Gyms and fitness centers are going to continue to be limited to 25% capacity, but with the additional requirement of having 3 meters of physical distancing between patrons. Spectators at outdoor sports and recreation facilities will be limited to 1 parent or caregiver per youth, and physical distancing at 2 meters must be maintained. Dance, theater, and music schools will continue to be limited to 25% capacity. The new orders will limit the number of people on site to 10, with 1 parent or caregiver or spectator per youth participant. But again, physical distancing of 2 meters must be maintained. Personal services will continue to be able to operate at 50% capacity, but appointments will be required. Day camps will be permitted to have up to 10 children, and that's both indoors or outdoors. Retail stores are limited to 25% capacity with a cap of 250 patrons, whichever is lower. Malls will be limited to 25% of their facilities capacity.